Pull over. Pull over. Do you know why I'm pulling you over?
Oh my gosh, no, officer. Was I going too fast? I didn't even realize how fast I was going.
Oh no, ma'am. Your speed was fine. I pulled you over because you're violating most of the laws of biomechanics and proper running form. And I'll show you on the free to run cam that you're heel striking and overstriding.
Huh. Well, that explains a lot.
I'm going to not only let you off with a warning, I'm going to give you a discounted admission to a free to run clinic.
Wow, this is great.
Awesome. You're free to run. Another runner saved from self-injury.